Have you ever wondered where all the water which is flowing from the surface is also flowing underground? But where that water is getting stored? Let's find out. So, what is an aquifer? A body which is capable of holding the groundwater within the pores or the surface of the earth itself is called an aquifer. An aquifer is generally a saturated rocks in which the water is present which is coming from the surface through rain. All the water when it rains will comes and infiltrate. Some of the water gets stored in the form of lakes and rivers, and some water will be stored in an aquifer. Generally, there are two types of aquifers. One is confined, another one is an unconfined aquifer. When an aquifer is present directly beneath the surface of the earth is called as unconfined aquifer. And an aquifer which is present beneath the aquitard or another aquifer is called as confined aquifer. Sometimes the confined aquifer exerted the pressure coming from another aquifer from the above and the aquitards and the rocks present above them, and this present of pressure is called Artesian pressure. A confined aquifer is separated by the non-permeable membrane is known as aquitard. Aquitards separate the confined and unconfined aquifers. When the water infiltrates from the grounds into the earth and then the water is stored between the unconfinement layers of the saturated rocks is called as an unconfined aquifer. Confined aquifer is present between the two non-permeable membranes where inside the surface of the earth where the water is no longer able to penetrate through it. When the volume of the voids in which the water is present inside it is known as porosity. Porosity is the measure of the volume of the empty spaces or pores which is present between the soil and rocky layers which is present inside the earth. Different layers of the earth is having their own ability of holding water and own pore spaces where the water or the amount of water can be stored between these empty voids. When this water from the rocks, sands and the soil flow from the spore spaces which is connecting one spore between another spore where the water is flowing is known as permeability. Permeability is a property where the water not only stored inside the surface of the rocks but also flows from the spores or the connectivity between the different spores through it. Volume of water which is present inside the spores or between the spores and the capacity of the spores of holding the water inside it is called as porosity. Pore spaces can be the fracture between the rocks or the opening between the grains and the opening between the rocks inside the surface. When these pore spaces having the connectivity between them where the water flows through it is called as permeability. Compared to the water movements through the rivers and lakes, the water movements inside the ground is very slow.